Raspberry Pi. I wanted to have some experience with my Raspberry Pi and wanted to use it for some fun project like robots, some home automation applications and ethical hacking. In this video I'm going to set up my Raspberry Pi first time. To set up first time I needed to connect with physical mouse and keyboard, and I don't have a spare keyboard and mouse, so I borrowed it from my friend. And for the similar reason I have to set up remote desktop on the Raspberry Pi so I can connect it from my laptop anytime. As a beginner, instead of buying each component of Raspberry Pi separately, I bought a kit from Amazon. The link of the kit is in description below. So let's get started. It contains Raspberry Pi 4, heatsink, fan, Raspberry Pi case, USB-C power supply, micro HDMI to HDMI cable, and memory and card pre-installed OS. Let us install heatsink on processor, GPU and RAM. Now install the fan. Now install the Raspberry Pi on the case. Now install the memory card and install the power supply and monitor. When we start, installation and setup take few minutes. First we have to start terminal and enter the command sudo raspi config. This window open a config window where we select the interfacing options, select and enable the VNC. When you select, then click on yes and it will set up ready. Now we have to reboot the machine first. Now select the VNC connect and select the options. From options you will select the security, make the security preferred off. Now go to using user and passwords, and from user as password create the password for default user. Now our Raspberry Pi is ready to use from desktop connection. To test the connection, we'll go to my Mac and I'll select the screen sharing option, enter the IP address of Pi, and then it will prompt with the password. I'm going to enter my password. Now after entering the password, it will show me the Raspberry Pi desktop, and now we can connect, or we can connect to the Raspberry Pi and can do our job from our laptop. So this is my preferred way going to be when I'm going to use our Raspberry Pi.